Good morning students. Welcome to engineering drawing tutorial. I am Rakesh, assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. This lecture I am going to explain drawing instruments. Drawing instruments are used to prepare drawings easily and accurately. The accuracy of the drawings depends largely on the quality, adjustment and care of instruments used. The student should procure quality drawing instruments which in turn increase their efficiency in drawing practice. Let us see the various instruments and other equipment used for drafting work are drawing board, T-square, set squares, set of scales, protractor, mini drafter, instrument box. This instrument box contains engineering compass, bow compass, spring bow compass, divider, bow divider, bow pen, inking pen, French curves, drawing sheets, paper fasteners, pencils, eraser, erasing shield, drawing ink, tracing paper, lettering pens, drafting machines. These are the various instruments and other equipment used for uh, any drafting. Now I am going to discuss uh, each instrument. Let us see the drawing board. You can see this figure. This is the drawing board. Drawing board is a rectangular in shape, and is made of strips of well-seasoned softwood about 25 mm thick. It is created at the back of by two battens to prevent warping. One edge of the drawing board is provided with a working edge made of hard and durable wood. You can see here this is the working edge. The working edge is required while using T-square in drafting work. You can see the different drawing boards, that is depending upon the size of the drawing sheet used for engineering drawing. B0 drawing board, size 1000 mm into 1500 mm. B1 drawing board size 700 mm into 1000 mm. B2 drawing board size 500 mm into 700 mm. B3 drawing board size 350 mm into 500 mm. The size of drawing board recommended by the Bureau of Indian Standards. In schools and colleges, we are using B2 and B3 size drawing boards. In drawing office of engineers are using B0 and B1 drawing boards. Second one is T square. A T square is made up of hard quality wood. It consists of two parts. One is stock Another one is blade. Both are joined at right angles to each other by means of screws and pins. The stroke is placed adjoining the working edge of the board and is made to slide on it as when the required. The blade lies on the surface of the drawing board. Its distant edge, which is generally beveled, is used as the working edge and hence it should be perfectly straight. The length of the blade is selected, that is depending upon drawing board size. Nowadays, T-square is also available of cellulose or plastic with engraved scale. The uses of T-square. The T-square is used for drawing horizontal lines. The working edge of the T-square is also used as base for set squares to draw vertical, inclined or mutually parallel lines. Set squares. The set squares are made of wood, tin, cellulose or plastic. Those made of uh, we are using transparent cellulose or plastic type set squares. Uh, Basically, these set squares are two types. One is you can see this figure. This is the one type of set square. It having 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Another one is the 45 degrees set square. This 30 degrees 60 degrees set square having 250 length. This 45 degrees set square having 200 length. The uses of set squares. Set squares are used for drawing all straight lines except the horizontal lines because which are usually drawn with the T-squares. Vertical lines can be drawn with the T-square and the set square. In combination with the T-square lines at 30 degrees or 60 degrees angle with vertical or horizontal lines can be drawn with 30 degrees, 60 degrees set square and 45 degrees angle with 45 degrees set square. Uh, the two set squares used simultaneously along with the T-square will produce lines making angles of 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees, etc. A circle can be divided in 6 parts, 8 parts, 12 parts, and 24 equal parts by using set squares and T-square. Next one is set of scales. The different types of scales available in the market, uh, that is architect scales, civil engineer scales, and mechanical engineer scales. Basically, we are using this 30 centimeter scale. Scales are made of wood, steel, celluloid, or plastic or cardboard. In this, stainless steel scales are more durable than remaining wood scales, celluloid scales, or plastic scales. These scales may be flat or triangular cross section. In the market, 15 centimeters long and 2 centimeter wide or 30 centimeters long, 3 centimeters wide flat scales are available. Uh, this helps in marking measurements from the scale to the drawing paper accurately. Uh, These longer edges of the scales are marked with division of centimeters, which are subdivided into millimeters. Next one is protractor. This protractor is made of wood, tin, or celluloid. Protractors of transparent cellular in common use. They are flat and circular or semicircular in shape. The common type of protractor is semicircular and of about 100 diameter. Generally, we are using this type of protractor. You can see this circumference. This circumference edge is graduated to one division. Is number at every 10 degrees. You can see this image 0, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and is readable from both the ends. You can read from this side and also you can read from this side. The diameter of the semicircle, uh, you can see this image. This is the straight line from 0 to 180 degrees, or you can measure the 0 degrees from here to 180 degrees here. Is called the base of the protractor, and it is centered centered center voice marked by a line perpendicular to it. This is the center O is marked by a line perpendicular to it. Uses of protractor. The protractor is used to draw or measure such angles as cannot be drawn with the set squares. A circle can be divided into any number of equal parts by means of the protractor. Next one, the important instrument in drawing is mini drafter. Uh, you can see this figure. This is the mini drafter. It is a device consisting of an angle formed by two arms. You can see this figure. It consists of two arms. One is horizontal scale and another one is vertical scale. It combines the function of t square, set squares, scales, and protractor. If you are using this mini drafter, you can eliminate t square, set square, scales, and protractor. The arms can be set and clamped at any desired angle by adjusting the head, which has a protractor. You can see this figure. It also having one protractor for measuring angles. It is used for drawing horizontal, vertical, and inclined lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. And also by using this mini drafter, you can measure the angles. Uh, Now, how to use mini drafter? Now see the how to use mini drafter. We can fix the drafter. We can fix the drafter on the top left corner of the drawing board with the help of fixing clamp. Before drawing a sketch, we can check the horizontal scale whether it is perfectly parallel to the dimension line. That dimension line is provided on the title block. If if the horizontal scale is not coincided with this dimension line, we can adjust the scale by this locking knob. Next one is instrument box. In this, major important component is instrument is engineering compass. The compass is used for drawing circles and arcs of circles. It consists of two legs. These both legs are hinged together at its upper end. You can see here one leg fitted with uh, one end fixed with a leg, while a pencil lead is inserted at end of the other leg. The lower part of the pencil leg is detachable and it can be interchanged with a similar piece containing an inking pen. Both legs are provided with knee joints. You can see this figure, these are the knee joints. By using this engineering compass, we can draw the circles up to 60 mm radius. For drawing larger circles, uh, for example up to 200 mm radius, it is better to bend the needle point leg and lead leg so that they will be perpendicular to the paper. Next one is bow compass. It is used for drawing small circles. This works on jack screw pencil, ja, jack screw principle and operated by turning a null nut at the center or at the one side of the compass. The major advantage of this compass is that the setting is rigid and will not be lost until it is reset to some other radius. Next one is divider. The divider has two legs. These two legs are hinged at upper end and is provided with steel pins, both lower ends, but it does not have the knee joints. Uses of divider. It is used for dividing straight or curved lines into any number of equal parts to transfer dimension from one part of the drawing to another part. Next one is French curves. French curves are made of wood, plastic, or celluloid. They are made in various shapes. These are used for drawing irregular curved lines other than circles or arcs of circles. Longest possible curves exactly coinciding with the freehand curve are then found out from the French curve. Finally, neat continuous curve is drawn with the aid of the French curve. Next one, drawing sheet. Drawing sheets are available in standard sizes. These sizes are specified by Bureau of Indian Standards. The sheet should be tough and with a hard surface so that scratches are not formed by pencil. Further, when an eraser is used on it, its fibers should not get disintegrated. Uh, we can see the different types of drawing sheets. First one is A0 841 into 1189 mm, A1 drawing sheet size 594 into 841 mm, A2 drawing sheet size 420 mm into 594 mm, A3 drawing sheet size 297 into 420 mm, A4 drawing sheet size 210 mm into 297 mm, A4 A5 drawing sheet size 148 mm into 210 mm. Surface area of the A0 size is 1 square meter. Now I am taking A1 drawing sheet size. This is the A0 drawing sheet. This width is, now I am assuming this is the width of the A0 drawing sheets. I am taking A. This is the height of the A0 drawing sheets. This is the root to A. The surface area of A0 size is 1 square meter. Uh, we know the rectangle area of rectangle, that is B into H. B into H equal to area. Here B is A and height is root 2A equal to 1 square meter. That means 1000 mm square. Now solving this one, that is root 2A square equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. We get A equal to 840 point. Now solving this statement by using calci. Now solving this statement by using calci, that is 10 lakhs by root 2 by root 2. Now A equal to under root this answer. We get 840 into 89. 840 into 89. Next root 2A. Root 2 into answer. Root 2 into answer. That is 1189.20. A equal to A equal to 840 into 89. Root 2A equal to 1189.20. Here A is the height of the drawing sheet size, that is 840 into 89. Root 2A is the width of the drawing sheet size, that is 1189.20. That is the uh, length of the A0, dimension of A0 drawing sheet size. Height is 841 into width is 1189. And similarly you can calculate A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 drawing sheets. The successive format sizes from A0 to A5 area obtained by halving the along with length or doubling along with width. You can see here A1 is the half of the width of A0. When we are folding A0 drawing sheet size, we get A1 drawing sheet size. When we folding A1 drawing sheet, we get A2 drawing sheet. That is 841 by 2. That is 420 into 594. When we folding A2 drawing sheet, we get A3 drawing sheet. That is 594 by 2. That is 297 into 420. Similarly, A4 210 into 297, A5 148 into 210. Here the drawing sheet uh, the drawing sheet's area in the ratio of drawing sheets area drawing sheets areas are in the ratio of 1 is to 2, and you can take any drawing sheet. The length and height of the height ratios are, that means height versus width ratios are height is 1 is to root 2. Here 1 is the height of the drawing sheet size, root 2 means uh, width of the drawing sheet size. So now I am representing the drawing sheet. This is the A0 drawing sheet, this is the root 2, this is the 1. Next one is paper fasteners. Three different types of fasteners are available in the market. One is drawing pins. You can see the different types of drawing pins here. Next one is drawing clips. In the market, plastic and steel clips are available. That is drawing clips. Next one is drawing adhesive tape. In generally, we are using this following three types of paper fasteners. One is drawing pins, drawing clips, adhesive tape. Uh, Pins are used to fix the drawing paper on the drawing board. The needle part, you can see here, the needle part of the pin is generally made of steel, while the head may be uh, plated mild steel or brass. This head is 15 to 20 mm diameter, and this pin is 1 mm. This head is 1 mm thick flat and 15 to 20 mm diameter. These heads made of brass are quite convenient as they do not rust. Pins should be so inserted that heads sit on the surface of paper. Drawing pins are easy to use and remove, and this offer a firm grip on the drawing sheet. However, the usage of these damages the drawing board surface, and the heads of these obstruct the free movement of the mini adopter. That's why uh, we are not using this type of drawing pins. Next one is drawing clips. In the market, plastic or steel clips are available. With spring action may also be used for fixing the sheet on the board. However, smaller drawing sheets cannot be fixed with them on all the four corners. So that's why we are using adhesive tape. Nowadays, adhesive tape is prepared for fixing the sheet on the board. Its smooth surface permits mini drafter, set squares, etc. to slide easily over the entire drawing sheet. Next one is pencils. Basically, we are using three types of pencils, that is H pencil, 2H pencil, HB pencil. In the market, wood type pencils or mechanical pencils are available. The accuracy and appearance of a drawing depend very largely on the quality of pencils used. With cheap and low quality pencils, it is very difficult to draw lines of uniform shade and thickness. The grade pencils of a pencil lead is usually shown by figures and letters marked at one of its ends. You can see this figure. This 8B, 7B, 6B, 5B, 4B, 3B are indication the grade of the pencil. Letter HB denotes the medium grade pencil. The increase in hardness is shown by uh, the increase in hardness shown by the value the figure put in front of the letter H, like H, 2H, 3H, 4H, etc. Similarly, the grade becomes softer according to the figure placed in front of the letter B, like B, 2B, 3B, 4B, etc. Uh, these are these are harder pencils. These are the softer pencils. These pencils, when you increase the number, this pencil hardness increased. When you putting the number in front of before the letter B, this pencil increases softness. Beginning of your drawing should be made with H pencil or 2H pencil. Uh, Beginning of your drawing should be made with H or 2H pencil, using it very lightly so that the lines are uh, light and necessary or extra lines can be easily erased. H pencil and HB pencil. H pencil and HB pencil are more suitable for lettering and dimensioning. For freehand sketching, soft grade pencils such as HB should be used. This is the brief discussion about pencils. Next, last one is eraser. Uh, Already we know about eraser. Soft India rubber is the most suitable kind of eraser for pencil drawings. It should be such as not to spoil the surface of the paper. Frequent use of rubber should be avoided by careful planning. Okay, this is the brief discussion about engineering drawing instruments. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.